cozy little house not far away lived Tum the cat who loved to play, and Jerry the mouse, so small and spry, always plotting tricks with a twinkle in his eye. Tum would tiptoe, soft as a breeze, hoping to catch Jerry with elegant ease. But Jerry was clever, quick and sly, dashing through holes before Tum could spy. One sunny morning the kitchen was bright, Jerry nibbled cheese with pure delight. Tum crept quietly behind the door, thinking, today I'll catch him for sure. But Jerry zipped under the chair with a squeak, and Tum tumbled down, oh, what a squeak. They both laughed, Tum rubbing his head, Jerry nibbled cheese, Tum nibbled bread. Through the garden they ran side by side, Tum chasing Jerry and Jerry would hide. Over the fence, through flowers so tall, Tum tripped on a pumpkin and began to fall. Jerry squeaked loudly, oh no, oh dear. Tum landed in mud with a splash and a smear. They both looked at each other and then they knew the best adventures are shared by two. So Tum and Jerry, friends forevermore, explored the kitchen, garden and floor. They raced, they tumbled, they laughed with glee, a cat and a mouse as happy as can be. And when the moon rose soft and round, Tum purred quietly lying on the ground. Jerry curled up in a little cheese nook, dreaming of tomorrow's adventurous book. For no matter the chase or the tricks that they play, Tum and Jerry find joy every single day. In laughter and friendship and mischief and fun, the adventures of Tum and Jerry are never done.